Hello, good morning, students. Hi, how are you? Happy morning. Yes, good morning, all of you. How are you all? I'm good, man. I'm fine. I'm very good. I am fine here. Okay, done. Let us now think something about the teaching. Now, coming test, what you want me to include? Coming PTE, we get now. I'm fine. You tell me which chapter you want me to include in PTE. Digestion, one chapter only. Digestion. All of you. You want all circulation, respiration with more thing on digestion or digestion and photosynthesis you want. Digestion. Yes, only digestion. 60 questions from digestion only you write. Histology and digestion. Plant histology we are not done now. Plant anatomy we have not done yet. You are not done, right? Okay. So we can do that. Plant histology and digestion. Can we do that? Circulation, respiration we did already. We did circulation, respiration, right? Okay then. Okay. We'll include digestion and the botany portions, plant histology and anatomy. Or if you feel it is more, ask for one chapter only plant histology and anatomy. No, this coming test is coming Sunday. I think you have chemistry test or something like that. Maybe next time. They will announce you. Maybe this Sunday or next Sunday. I don't know. Sarit, okay, we have three things to do. Okay. One is histology anatomy, long back it got over. We'll have to do that. Digestion. These two things are there. Do you want to write both or separately each of them? Both. How many of you are saying both? Yes, both. Okay, all of you are saying both you want to write. Separately you want to write. Only one person said separately. Chandana. Napita is saying both she wants to write. Chanvasa also saying both. Sujal saying both. Okay. So PTE, coming test is PTE. I got a message for PTE. Right now, earlier you wrote PTE only, no? Last time. CET pattern, I think NEET or CET, I don't know. NEET or CET irutte. Yeah, it may be NEET pattern. Yeah, because coming time we will do NEET pattern. Means with a negative marking and all will be there. Fine. Yeah, it's a NEET pattern. Yeah, it is NEET pattern. We will do NEET pattern. Okay. So you want me to include two chapters. So that's the reason I didn't even make anything details now. To ask you, I was waiting. Plant histology and anatomy plus digestion. Is it fine for you or only histology and anatomy you want? because histology and anatomy also is too much for you to study. Okay, so you are ready to write both of them. Then all of you are saying both the chapters fine then. 90 questions will be there, right? 90 questions you will have to answer. And there will be a negative marking also, right? Good. Okay, today I would like to tell you something. Yeah, all of you, because your opinions and all I got. And many of them they said I'm very fast in dictating and fast in explaining, right? So now on, there is no hurry for me also and for you also. We'll go super slow. Super slow in the sense, aram se, right? No problem. One particular reaction, you take half an hour, no issues. Is it okay for you? Because I can't be, because I now I treat you like kids, like children, right? I was treating like college students now. Now I treat you like kids, babies from 10th year come, right? We'll go super slow. Correct. Initial speed was also fine. Now it is okay. You are all saying your opinions matter to me, because if at all you are feeling I'm going fast, there is no point in doing fast, right? I'll go slowly, aram se. There's nothing to worry. Okay, till all of you not super slow, na? Okay, done. Natural. Okay, fine. Moderate. But what happens now? There is nothing to measure this. The problem is there is nothing to measure. Is it speed? Is it medium? Is it medium or slow medium or something like that? You can't make out. Therefore, medium slow will go. Fine. Super slow don't want. Done. Now the question. Now the thing is, in respiration, I did glycolysis yesterday, right? How many of you followed all the? How many of you did not follow? You tell me. Among these 81 members, you tell me who have not fully followed. You wanted me to revise it. That's what I do it in medium slow. Tell me how many of you want me to revise glycolysis. I will start like this, Aram se. You want Chandana, you want. Okay. Chandana girl, na? Don't want. Shariti Singh, don't want. Okay. So this is how it happens. For me, man. Okay, HSV, you want me to repeat. Number two people have said they want revision. Want Ma'am Shifa is saying. Revise Ma'am Shifa because network was disconnected. Okay, that's Shifa's story. Don't want Tanushri, leave it. Next, let me see. How many of you want me to revise this glycolysis? Priyadarshan, don't want. Okay, no need, ma'am. Rukaya, no need, ma'am. Okay, next. That's all. You need, Elia, you need 4. Don't want, many are saying. 5, Shri Raksha is saying. 6, Chanvasappa is saying. Okay, good Chanvasappa, we'll do it for you. Okay, Nishmita is saying, Chinmay is saying, Monisha revise. Don't want is saying revise. Okay, 10 members are there. Okay, done. For all of you people, you can revise, get the revision. Okay, all of you listen. Okay, all of you listen. Including Chandrasappa. He had a problem yesterday because of the network issues. Okay, listen. First thing, respiration. Okay, now enough. It's okay, no issues. I will anyway send that. Yesterday I couldn't, I think. I will send it today. I will do it. But anyway, if you feel that watching video is strenuous, I will revising it. Okay, what we did yesterday, I will revise. We'll go like this. Anything you have problems, you tell me. Right? No need to scared and all. Right? You are all my students, my children like. Okay, I don't have to. You don't have to hide anything. Tell me problem. I will increase the volume. Fine. Now can you hear, Neha? Okay, done. So respiration is the process of breakdown of glucose. Yesterday somebody was asking me what is catabolic process and all. I don't know who asked me. I have no number there. Numbers are there. I don't know the names actually. Yuva Anjan Shetty. Okay, fine. See, respiration is a catabolic process. See, we have two types of metabolism. Means whenever our activities happen, we have two types of activities. One is catabolism, one is anabolism. Anabolism is building process, catabolism is breaking process. Whenever there is something broken down, energy comes out. Whenever something is built, energy is put in. Right? I am building, I am making one building. Means I have to put cement, I have to put bricks, I have to put manpower, lot of money. It is input. Then only the building will happen, right? If I am breaking also, little bit energy I need. I can't simply break and the some energy I have to heat it and break it. But during that, energy is released. Destruction, right? So photosynthesis is considered to be an anabolic process. Anabolism andre energy, sun energy ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು carbon dioxide water combine ಮಾಡಿ we produce glucose. That is formation of carbohydrate is a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a anabolism, building process. Catabolism is this is breaking down. That is complete glucose, whatever is formed, it is broken down using oxygen into carbon dioxide or water. Whatever energy was there, that will be released. That's called the catabolic here. So now I am talking about this respiration at the cellular level, within the cell, how it happens. Already I told you, within the cell, there should be a respiratory substrate. Normally, glucose acts as a respiratory substrate. Every cell will have glucose. How we get glucose? We have eaten food now. This food will go to intestine. Intestine blood vessels will absorb this. They will take that to the liver. Liver sugar will be maintained. Go back to the kidney. Return to the body. Then from the heart it will be supplied to all cells. Therefore, cells will be there in the cells will be having glucose in them. So I am talking about how this glucose is broken down in the cell, because you should have energy, right? You want to work, you need energy, right? You want to just lift something also, you need energy. You want to just turn like this, you want energy. How will you get the energy? This energy will be given out by breakdown of this glucose. In every cell there is glucose. C6H12O6. It will take up on oxygen, breaks into carbon dioxide and water. Its energy is released. The released energy will not be wasted. Otherwise, imagine if at all energy is released, it will be converted to heat or light. You must be knowing energy is converting from one form to another form. It is neither created nor destroyed. It converts from one form to another. That way, energy is released. This released energy, if it is released in the form of heat, our body will be hot as soon as energy is released. Or it will be producing light, isn't it? But it will not release it immediately. Whatever energy comes out, that will be taken up by a compound called adenosine diphosphate, picks another inorganic phosphate, combines with that form adenosine triphosphate and stores it in the form of ATP. What is ATP? It is the energy currency of a cell. Adenosine diphosphate takes an inorganic phosphate, put the energy whenever it is the glucose is broken down, that energy is put in that, forming adenosine triphosphate. Done? This adenosine triphosphate will be stored in the mitochondria. This we are done, but again, yes, correct. I am again giving you it. This ATP will be stored in mitochondria. Mitochondria, we call it as a powerhouse of a cell. It helps as a powerhouse, like a bank of energy, right? It will be stored in mitochondria. Now, whenever you want energy to do work, that's the stored energy, ATP stored energy. You want to do work, you want to run, you want to jump. unit energy, right? That time our cells ask, our muscle cells want energy. That time from mitochondria the ATP is released. It is further broken down into adenosine diphosphate, inorganic phosphate, releasing the energy for that particular work, kinetic energy, right? That energy we are using and we can do work. Are you getting it? Therefore, it is very much necessary for us to respire at the cellular level. Cellular respiration is must. Are you getting it? Every cell must undergo respiration. Therefore, I am talking how it is broken down. Glucose is broken down to release energy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ATP ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ATP ರಿಲೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೇಟರ್. ಏನಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ತ್ರೀ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್? ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಕ್ರೆಬ್ಸ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತರದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಗೈ ಲೈಕ್ ಯೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ some bacteria, they will break the glucose without oxygen. That is called anaerobic respiration or fermentation. Fermentation to anaerobic respiration is lower organisms like yeast and bacteria. They break the glucose, they undergo oxidation of glucose without oxygen. That we call it as anaerobic respiration. Respiration without oxygen. It's called anaerobic respiration. Right? Lactobacillus bacteria. Right. Correct, Anjan Shetty. Good. Now, this doesn't produce so much of energy as aerobic respiration. Right? The complete ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೊಡ್ಡದು 2 ಪೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ. It's called the complete oxidation of glucose. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಈಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್. ಯು ನೋ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಬಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಏನೇನೋ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸುಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Suppose you put it in the fire and put it in the environment, it will catch fire faster because oxygen helps in combustion. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ವಾಟರ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ aerobic respiration. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್: ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಕ್ರೆಬ್ಸ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಲೈಕಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Glucose, a 6 carbon compound, will split into 2 molecules of 3 carbon called pyruvic acid. 2 molecules of 3 carbon ಆಯ್ತಾ pyruvic acid ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್. Okay, we are talking about glycolysis. Glycolysis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This happens in the cytoplasm, not in the mitochondria. As I was telling you, the respiration and the process of energy is released in mitochondria, but glycolysis ಮಾತ್ರ cytoplasm ಅಥವಾ cytosol ಅಲ್ಲ. cytosol ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ it's a watery fluid of the cytoplasm. It is cytosol ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಬಂದು ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಆಲ್ದೋ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಇದೊಂಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ನೀನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್, ಯು ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. Right? Same thing, whenever glucose has to break down, it will utilize the ATP molecules. Right? Why? It needs energy to break also. Right? Therefore, whenever it has to break down, the first step, what it will do is it will take up one ATP. Adenosine triphosphate ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೈಟೋಕಾಂಡ್ರಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂತದೆ ಅದು ADP ಆಗಿ. ಆ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ATP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್, ADP ಇಂದ ಡೈಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್. ಡೈಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ 6 phosphate. This is the first compound formed in this. Glucose 6 phosphate andre it has taken up one inorganic phosphate from ATP, and the reaction that involves ATP and ADP is called as a first reaction. It is phosphorylation reaction. Okay, this I have already told you. Okay, next first step, phosphorylation. How do you write the explanation of this? It is the first step in which glucose accepts a phosphate from ATP and forms glucose 6 phosphate, where ATP converts to ADP. Phosphate is given into the reaction. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕನ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ATP ಇಂದ ADP ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now glucose 6 phosphate converts to fructose 6 phosphate, and you know already glucose and fructose are isomers of each other. This is second reaction, we call it as isomerization. Okay, glucose and fructose are isomers of each other. Both. What is isomerism? Those who have same molecular formula, different structural formula. So one glucose is one, fructose, both have C6H12O6. They are isomers. Okay, fructose 6 phosphate further takes up another ATP. ATP ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ATP converting it into ADP, and resultant compound will have one phosphate already. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಬಂತು. This will become fructose 1,6 diphosphate. Di ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್. Earlier we had one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ fructose 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ 1,6 ಡೈಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸಿನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್? ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ATP ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು ಫಾಸ್ಫೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಬರೆಯಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಚಂದ ಬಸ್ಸಪ್ಪ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾ? ಡನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will erase this because there is no place for me to write. Okay, I am not going to continue down because there is no place over here. That's the reason I am going to erase this. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Understood? This is a medium pace I am doing it. Okay, done then. Good. So I think you understood. Let me go to the next. ಇದರಿಂದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಈಗ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು? ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ 6 ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ 1,6 ಡೈಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ 1,6 ಡೈಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್. It will split into 2 molecules of 3 carbon. The reaction is just a number reaction ida 1 2 3 4 ida fourth reaction. Fourth reaction is called as splitting. The compound is called phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxy acetone phosphate that are the isomers of each other. So this is the fifth reaction. Okay, ಇದು 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ 6 ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಬಂದು 2 molecules of PgAl ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ 2 molecules of DHAP ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Both are 3 carbon compounds. They are isomers of each other. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ phosphoglyceraldehyde dihydroxyacetone phosphate are also isomers of each other. Splitting reaction ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು isomers ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, now one of them I will continue, not this, either this or this I can start. Okay, let me begin with the PgAl. PgAl in the ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. PgAl will accept a compound which is inorganic phosphate, and aldehyde will convert acid by releasing hydrogen to NAD forming NADH2. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ side reaction ಗಳು. The resultant compound is that is 1,3 diphosphate DPGA 1,3 diphosphoglyceric acid. ನೋಡಿ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಇನಾರ್ಗಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು DPGA ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಗ್ಲಿಸರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 2 3 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್, ಇದು 1,3 DPGA ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು 2 molecules of 3 carbon ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 2 2 ನೇ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ 2 ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It is understood that it is 2 2 only. ಹೌದಾ? Next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1,3 DPGA loses a phosphate in the form of ATP. ಒಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ where ADP will take up this and form ATP. ಸೊ ಇದು 2 ಇರೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವು 2 2 ATP, ಒಂದು ATP ತಯಾರಾಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಎರಡು ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಎರಡು 2 rupees it has taken, now 2 rupees it has produced, right? And the compound is 3 PGA. one phosphate is gone alva. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ 3 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್, ಇದು ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ 3 PGA ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ PGA ಇದೆ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 6th ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. 7th reaction is phosphorylation because ATP is involved. It is called phosphorylation reaction. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಈ ಜಾಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ 2 PGA ಬಂದು 3 PGA ಹೋಗಿ 2 PGA ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 molecules of 3 carbon ಇದು ಕೂಡ 2 molecules of 3 carbon. 2 PGA ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈ 3 PGA ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 3 phosphoglyceric acid phosphate group goes to the second carbon. It is called 2 PGA. Okay, this is the 8th reaction. We call this as a mutation reaction. 8th reaction ಗೆ ನಾನು mutation ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ shifting up of the functional group has happened. Phosphate group has shifted from third to second carbon. It's called 2 PGA. Exam reaction is called mutation. Okay. Next reaction, it will accept something called as an enol group. Will take up something enol group and it loses water and forms phosphoenol pyruvate, what we call as PEP. ಪೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಇನಾಲ್ ಪೈರುವೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಾಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನೋಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. To inolation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನೋಲ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನೋಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, this is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate as formed. Now again I have to go down only, but I will write up, no place here. Up ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, enol comes out. one more ATP generated. ADP, two molecules, not one. There are two, no? Two molecules of ADP converts to two molecules of ATP, forming pyruvic acid. Two molecules of pyruvic acid. So this is the last step, and this is the 10th step, and its reaction name is phosphorylation. Okay, ATP ADP involve ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ this is phosphorylation reaction. Did you understand all this? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 4 ATPs are formed, 2 ATPs are utilized, so net output is 2 ATPs. ಹೇಳಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Okay, maybe I'm saying clear. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತನಕ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? PEP ತನಕ ಪೈರುವಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ NAD to NAD is the how man enzyme cyclic result. Enzymes ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. 5 6 7 8 9 enzymes ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಿಟ್ಜರ್ಲೆಂಡ್ಗೆ? I told you enzymes ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ನೀಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಿಸನ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವುದು ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್. somebody should take that na. I am giving this to you, somebody should hold it na. Those who have free hands, they will take it. Again, as hydrogen is releasing, NAD will be available in the cytoplasm and take up the hydrogen. Therefore, it forms NAD to NADH2. And enzymes and all additional thing. Additional ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಓದುವಾಗ enzymes ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು enzymes ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, first PSC means need portion and explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. DHAP will convert to PGAL ಕಣೋ, ಅದೇ will convert ಆಗಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I am announcing the syllabus as digestion and plant histology and anatomy. ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. All compounds you by heart. ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾಲಜಿ ಅನಾಟಮಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್. So I have taken it according to your wish only. Are you getting it? Okay, ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾಳೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we will do 1 chapter if you want, but as you are saying 2 chapters, we will do 2 chapters. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Glycolysis is clear? Okay. Who discovered glycolysis? Who discovered glycolysis? Write their names. Let me check. Madam, Mayerhoff and Paranas. Very good. Right, good. It's otherwise called EMP pathway or embedded Mayerhoff and Paranas pathway. Okay, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Krebs cycle. So second reaction in anaerobic respiration is Krebs cycle. So what are the outputs of glycolysis? 2 pyruvic acid molecules, 2 ATPs, 2 NADH2. Did you write it? Glycolysis output ಏನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ? So what are the outputs of glycolysis? 2 NADH2, 2 ATPs and 2 pyruvic acid. ನೋಡಿ ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. 2 NADH2, 2 ATPs and 2 pyruvic acid. And where is it happening? In the cell. Cell ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ glycolysis? It happens in the cytoplasm. No chloroplast, Sujal. Sujal, it is not chloroplast. Chloroplast is ಏನು ಪುಟ? Chloroplast happens here. In chloroplast photosynthesis happens. Cytoplasm or cytosol. Confused, huh? Okay, cytosol or cytoplasm. Then it is common in both aerobic organisms and anaerobic organisms, because in anaerobes there is no mitochondria. But cytoplasm is the you get this glycolysis both in aerobic organisms and anaerobic organisms. Okay, see, I am slow, right? Next time opinion ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ. Is it fine for all of you? You should say wrong things, right things both. Not all the time wrong things only. Giving opinion is not wrong all the time. Wrong things only you should give. Right things also you should give. Okay? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸುಜಲ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರೀ ರಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ. Wrong things no alla. Some of you people were happy with that speed also, but I don't want you to be. This is very nice. That is nice. Good. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ರೈಟ್. ನನಗೇನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನನಗಾರ ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಾನೇನು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಾರೋಬಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು ಬೈತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I can't speak. I can't speak that way. I am not that smooth voice person. Okay. ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. Right? My voice is only hard. Right? One night joke I remembered suddenly. Once somebody had called me. Airtel ಇಂದ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಹಲೋ ಅಂದೆ. ಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದಾರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನೇ ಹೇಮಲತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಮಲತಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ವೈ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೈಫ್ಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲ್, ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಹರ್ ಅಂತ. ರೈಟ್? ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸೇ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಕಣ್ರು. ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ವೇ ಅಂತ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಜಾನ್ ಮರಿ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮರಿ ಅಂತಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. But my voice is like this only. Okay? Bold voice, hard voice. ನಮಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಸಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಿಡಿಸಿದೆ. ನನಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟಾನೆ. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಇರೋ ವಿಷಯನ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಗುಡ್ ಒನ್. Your previous explanation was good. Now you are explaining slowly, so I am feeling like sleeping now. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ ರುಕಯ್ಯ. Everything is there in this group, right? Slowly we will only do it. Okay, no issues. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಶರಿತ್ and ರುಕಯ್ಯ, you can also little bit slow in thinking. Don't sleep. My voice is so sleepy. I am singing Lali song or what? Lali Lali. No, then don't worry. Then ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಚಿತ್ರ? ಏನದು ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ರುಕಾಯ ಹಿಂಗ ಡಿಶು ಮಂತ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯ ಅವನಿಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ರುಕಾಯ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈನ್? ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್. ನೋ? ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕ್ರೆಬ್ಸ್ ಸೈಕಲ್. ಲಿಸನ್. ಸ್ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಮೋಜಿ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇನೇನೋ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನೇನು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. I told you that Krebs cycle is the next stage. This Krebs cycle happens only in mitochondria. Okay, nagta irodu ma'am adu. Okay, nagta idre nanu nagta idini. No issues. Anyway, nan voice kate ade hednalva nimge. They didn't even take my call that day because I sound like male anta. ಆ ತರ ಆಗೈತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. We have nagti irodu. Okay. So many times in college and all, when I was studying, I used to sing male songs only, right? Duet ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, right? Everything. I used to sing Hindi songs actually, old Hindi songs and Rafi songs and Kishore songs and I used to sing. Not like feminine Lata Mangeshkar voice. Santosh ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ. I usually sing Hindi songs. Not now. Sharit, not now. I sing sometimes. When we meet now, we will all sing. Okay, it's okay. Napita, you keep quiet, Napita. You don't tell the children, others. Okay, Napita. Not now. We are studying serious thing. Let's not do that. Okay? Okay, done then. Let's continue. Okay, what I was talking is Krebs cycle. So Krebs cycle is discovered by Krebs. One thing is understood, na? Oh my God! Please stop it. Okay, so Krebs cycle was given by scientist Krebs. our restroom. Okay, and all the Krebs cycle reactions happen in the mitochondria. So where it is not happening then? Which organisms will not have Krebs cycle now? Tell me. Krebs cycle alli ella agute anta helidalla. Anaerobic andre lower organisms yavralli mitochondria irodilla avugalli idu agalla. Artha aayta? Krebs cycle happens only in aerobic organisms. Yakandre this requires mitochondria. Mitochondria drawing bardidralva already ನೀವು mitochondria drawing bardidralva ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Mitochondria ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರಾಕಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Krebs cycle start ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This was given by scientist Krebs. Okay, watch the board now. Enough of all other jokes. Let's continue. Okay, Krebs cycle was given by scientist Hans Krebs. Hans Krebs. He found how exactly the pyruvic acid reacts further. Pyruvic acid is the end product. Allinda continue agide. Pyruvic acid banda hege workout agate. What it will do? Andre he found that this Krebs cycle undergo decarboxylation. Clearly understand this. Correct ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. Decarboxylation of pyruvic acid ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು decarboxylation ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Let me check. What is decarboxylation? ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Carbon dioxide is removed. Very good, Abhigna. There is a removal of carbon dioxide. Okay, from pyruvic acid, carbon dioxide removed in the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is all about how exactly carbon dioxide is removed from the pyruvic acid. And in this reaction, decarboxylation reaction, there is formation of less ATPs, but mainly NADH2. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ carbon dioxide release ಆಗ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ NADH2 release ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? ಈಗ imagine ಮಾಡಿ pyruvic acid ಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ H ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ OH ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ H ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ CO2 ಎರಡು CO ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಇದನ್ನ NAD ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು NADH2 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. NAD becomes NADH2. Okay, in all of these reactions, wherever there is carbon dioxide is removed, there is formation of NADH2. So you will have to count NADH2 because these are like ATPs in future. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇದ್ರೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಂದು kg ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ NADH2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ATPs ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೌಂಟ್ NADH2 ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹೌಸ್, ಓನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವೆಲ್ತ್. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ATP ಜೊತೆಗೆ NADH2 ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So let us begin with the pyruvic acid. Okay, so it will start with in the mitochondria. This happens in mitochondria. Nunala mitochondrial reactions. Nunu scientist ಹೆಸರು. Mitochondria na cytoplasm ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಟೋಕಾಂಡ್ರಿಯಾ ಇದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೈರುವಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬಂದು 2 molecules of 3 carbon ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ pyruvic acid ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈಟೋಕಾಂಡ್ರಿಯಾಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Before entering it undergo decarboxylation. It loses a carbon dioxide. Wherever CO2 is released, I told you there is formation of NAD to NADH2. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ it comes out. So the resultant compound will get, and one more thing is added. It is called as coenzyme A. Coenzyme A is added to this. It forms how many carbon now? 3 carbon ittane. 1 carbon dioxide hoitane. How many carbons are left now? Tell me. 2 carbons. Yes, good. The 2 carbon compound called as acetyl coenzyme A. It's a 2 molecules of 2 carbon. Okay, acetyl coenzyme A is formed. It's a 2 carbon compound. Now in mitochondria, it combines with oxaloacetic acid. Okay, so I'll write the cycle now. I told you Krebs cycle is. ನಾನು ಅಡ್ಡ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಜಾಗ ಹಿಂಗ ಅಡ್ಡಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನೀವು ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಕೋಎನ್ಜೈಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ oxaloacetic acid it's a 4 carbon compound this and this they will combine 4 plus 2 forming 6 carbon compound we call it as citric acid it is citric acid 6 carbon compound okay first compound formed is a 6 carbon compound formed is citric acid okay and in the cycle it is regenerated again therefore Krebs cycle is also called as citric acid cycle correct citric acid cycle ಅಂದ್ರೆ first citric acid ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ regenerate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ so acetyl coenzyme plus oxaloacetic acid together forms citric acid okay now citric acid continue to form two of its isomers okay yen isomers andre first isomer is cis aconitic acid isomer idu then isocitric acid idu eradu isomers of each other citric acid cis aconic acid isocitric acid all are the they are nothing but they are the isomers of each other right so ಮೊದಲನೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ಎರಡನೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ third and fourth reactions are isomerization reactions okay ಆಮೇಲೆ citric acid ಆಗಲಿ cis aconic acid ಆಗಲಿ isocitric acid ಆಗಲಿ when you study chemistry you watch their structural formula they will have 3 COOH groups COOH ಮೂರು ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ COOH ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ COOH ಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ all will have 3 COOH groups therefore we call this cycle also as tricarboxylic acid cycle tricarboxylic acid ಯಾಕಂತಾರ this has 3 COOH groups therefore it's called tricarboxyl not C3 ಬೇರೆ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ C3 is different it comes under photosynthesis this is under respiration it is simply called as TCA cycle ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರುಗಳಿದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Krebs cycle ಗೆ citric acid cycle ಅಂತಾರೆ tricarboxylic acid cycle ಅಂತಾರೆ TCA cycle ನು ಅಂತಾರೆ tricarboxylic acid cycle ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ these are all the stable compounds formed in this reaction ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ COOH groups correct good ರುಕಯ್ಯ correct ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಷ್ಟು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು all others also should answer okay good ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ Abhigna Suhas Abhigna ma'am how is oxalo it is there dear in the it is in the mitochondria already see this is like outside the mitochondria acyl coenzyme interact the mitochondria here inside the mitochondria there will be oxaloacetic acid will combine with that to form citric acid okay now isocitric acid inna idಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು isocitric acid loses one carbon dioxide whenever it loses carbon dioxide I told you one reaction what is the reaction NAD takes up the hydrogen and forms NADH2 howda NAD to NADH2 okay all are 2 carbon compound 2 molecules ivella 2 ಗಳೇ okay carbon dioxide. This is decarboxylation. Fifth reaction is decarboxylation reaction. And the resultant compound just carbon irutte. This compound form agutalla ಎಷ್ಟು carbon ಇದೆ? Very good. It's a 5 carbon compound. 5 carbon. The resultant compound is alpha keto glutaric acid. It's a 5 carbon compound. Alpha keto glutaric acid ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 5 carbon. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ carbon dioxide loss ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is a carboxylation reaction. Now it loses another carbon dioxide. Whenever it loses carbon dioxide, I told you what? It will form NAD to NADH2 tane. NAD becomes NADH2. Then it will take up one more coenzyme A. Coenzyme A and matandre they help in speeding up the reaction, right? And the resultant compound ಎಷ್ಟು carbon ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Now the resultant compound ಎಷ್ಟು carbon? 4 carbon ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Very good. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬರೀ 4-5 ಜನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 4 carbon compound ಬಂದು it is called succinyl. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಗ ಉಳಿಯಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Succinyl coenzyme A ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Succinyl coenzyme A ಇದು. Okay, next compound ಬಂದು succinyl coenzyme A. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು? alpha keto glutaric acid ಇಂದ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, now this will lose coenzyme A now. coenzyme A ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ coenzyme A ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೇನೆ it will form a compound, energy rich compound GDP. GDP is like ADP. ADP is adenosine diphosphate. GDP is guanosine diphosphate. Takes up the energy and form GTP. Guanosine, these are 2,2 molecules they are. There are 2,2 molecules. Okay, guanosine triphosphate. Okay, again it's an energy compound. Now succinic coenzyme ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ becomes succinic acid. Okay, it becomes succinic acid by losing one GTP. GDP becomes GTP. 2 GDP. ಕಾಣಿಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. GDP ಬಂದು 2 GTP ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ succinic acid becomes converted into fumaric acid. In this, one of the hydrogen comes out. Succinic acid and fumaric acid ka hydrogen difference ಇದೆ. That will be converting FAD to FADH2. FAD ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? NAD ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. FAD ಅಂದ್ರೆ flavin adenine dinucleotide. FAD ಅದು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ. NAD ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ FAD ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ, FADH2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, don't think it will vanish. I'll write this oxaloacetic acid like this. ಜಾಗ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರದು ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಿಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. So fumaric acid ಬಂದು accepts a water molecule and forms something called as a malic acid. Hydration. Water ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ hydration. Malic acid ಬಂದು oxaloacetic acid ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ it will release in the form of NADH2. NAD takes it up, 2 molecules of NAD convert to NADH2. Okay, don't mix it up. Okay, this is TCA ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, TCA cycle ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. NAD become NADH2. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ hydrogen is released in the form of NaDH2. Where was that hydrogen? It was taken up by water. That hydrogen is released, forming 2 NAD into 2 NaDH2. NaDH2. Got it? This is the whole story. Idu full in Krebs cycle. Ishtu tanka baribekku in Krebs cycle andre. Okay. So let me revise it once again. Dot reaction there. Revise martin. This was given by scientist Hans Krebs. It happens in the mitochondrial matrix. Kelvunna bed ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಬರೀ Krebs cycle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Hans Krebs scientist ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Because so many things if they are there in the board, you will be confused. Okay. One cycle ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Krebs cycle happens in the mitochondrial matrix. Before entering into the mitochondrial matrix, pyruvic acid ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Pyruvic acid ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು glycolysis ಅಲ್ಲಿ. That enters the mitochondrial matrix. Before entering into the mitochondrial matrix, one reaction happens. What is that? There is decarboxylation of pyruvic acid forming acetyl coenzyme A. During this reaction, one NADH2 molecules are formed and coenzyme A is added. There are two, right? Coenzyme A is added and therefore this 2 carbon compound formed is acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A takes up a 4 carbon compound in the mitochondrial matrix. It's a 4 carbon compound and together they condense to form citric acid, a 6 carbon atom. Idu 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು 4 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 carbon atom. This is called citric acid. Citric acid undergo 2 isomerization reactions, cis-aconitic acid and isocitric acid. These 2 compounds are the isomers of citric acid. And all these 3 compounds contain 3 carboxyl groups in the structure. Therefore, it is called tricarboxylic acid cycle. Tri andre 3, carboxylic andre COH, acid cycle. Tricarboxylic acid cycle athwa TCA cycle anta kareeತೀವಿ. Now, citric acid will have 3 and 4 reactions as isomerization reactions forming cis-aconitic acid and isocitric acid. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಷ್ಟ? ಆಮೇಲೆ it undergo carboxylation, decarboxylation, not carboxylation, decarboxylation, removal of carbon dioxide. Wherever carbon dioxide is removed, NaDH2 is formed. Then isocitric acid losing carbon dioxide form a 5 carbon compound called alpha ketoglutarate acid. Alpha ketoglutarate acid is a 5 carbon compound. Now alpha ketoglutarate acid again loses a carbon dioxide, accepts coenzyme A. This is coenzyme, it's not carbon dioxide, it's a coenzyme A. And again in between it loses NAD to NADH2, hydrogen it is losing. Arrow mark is very important. See how I am showing arrow mark. NAD in the NADH2 hoಗುತ್ತೆ. Hydrogen is reduced. The compound is a 4 carbon compound. This is a 4 carbon compound. Succinyl coenzyme A. Now succinyl coenzyme A loses coenzyme A. Nodi, coenzyme A acha bandide. Along that one energy rich compound is formed where GDP, guanosine diphosphate, converts to guanosine triphosphate. Resultant compound is succinic acid, also is a 4 carbon compound. Okay, succinate or succinic acid. So this reaction is decarboxylation alva. 5 6ನೇ reaction decarboxylation reaction. Okay, 6th reaction. What is 7th reaction? 7th reaction ಯಾವುದು? ಯಾವುದು 7th reaction? GDP, ADP, ATP are same. ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. What is the 7th reaction? Phosphorylation. Very good, Madhya. Rashmi, all are good, right? It's a phosphorylation reaction because GDP form agide. Phosphorylation. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Succinic acid. Succinic acid loses hydrogen to FAD forming FADH2. It is the eighth reaction where hydrogen is lost. What is the reaction name? Eighth reaction ಏನು? Eighth reaction ಏನು? Very good. It's a dehydrogenation reaction. Correct? It is dehydrogenation reaction. Okay? Done then. After this, I told you water molecule is added. H2O is added, forming malic acid. What is the ninth reaction then? Hydration. Very good. Savita is right. It's not hydrogenation, it's hydration. Hydrogenation different from hydration. Hydration is water enter agadu. Hydrogenation and the hydrogen molecule is released. Here it is hydrogen alla. Water is entering. It's called the hydration reaction. Then 10th reaction yado. Hele nodona. NAD forms NADH2. What is the reaction? 10th reaction. Where is no carbon dioxide released there? Kritika, there is no carbon dioxide. The hydrogen is only released, no carbon dioxide released here. It is dehydrogenation. No carbon dioxide. Dehydrogenation. Carbon dioxide only is released here. Here is only dehydrogenation. Correct? Done. Very good. So this is about the Krebs cycle. Did you understand this? Krebs cycle? Eighth reaction. Abhigna, ma'am, eighth reaction is hydrogenation. No, ma'am. Eighth reaction is dehydrogenation reaction. Eighth reaction is dehydrogenation. FAD converting FADH2 andre from the reaction hydrogen has come out. Succinic acid to fumaric acid to 1 minus hydrogen adu. So it is dehydrogenation. FAD becomes FADH2. For FAD it is hydrogenation. For this compound it is dehydrogenation. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ scientific words kashta ma'am to remember. Okay. Third and fourth are isomerization reactions. Scientific words ಕಲಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗಲಿಂದ. Where is Abhigna? Did you understand Abhigna what I am saying? Third and fourth are isomerization is correct. Neha. Abhigna ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಮಧ್ಯ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. So it is dehydrogenation reaction. FAD accept ಮಾಡಿದ hydrogen FAD ಒಳಗಡೆ hydrogenation ಆಗಿದೆ. But ನಮ್ಮ reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ dehydrogenation ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಜಲ್ ಏನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. Understood. What about other students? Common students are not reacting much. Those words, which words, baby? Which words? Dehydrogenation, decarboxylation. Hello? ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾರು ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ? ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗಲೇ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಈಗ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾನು ಈಗ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಲೈಕ್ ಗ್ವಾನೋಸಿನ್, ಗ್ಲೂಟರಿಕ್, ಅಕೋನಿಟಿಕ್ ಏನು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಜಲ್ ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ಗೆ. Guanosine is GDP, guanosine diphosphate, GDP. Guanosine spelling ಬೇರೆ, ಈಗ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ನೀನು. What is second reaction is condensation. Neha. Two compounds are combined, it's a condensation reaction. Okay, write the heading Krebs cycle. What is second reaction? It's a condensation. Okay, write the heading Krebs cycle. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೇಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ನೀವು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಗ್ ತರ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಉದ್ದ ಎಗ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಅಂತಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಅಡ್ಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಎಗ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, ಹಾ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ನೀವು ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ನಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಇರಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಳೇ, ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಟೇ ಬರೀ ನೀವು. ನನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಉದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಅಡ್ಡಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಸೈಕಲ್ ತರ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಸೈಕಲ್ ತರನೇ ಇದು, ರೌಂಡ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದು. ಸೈಕಲ್ ತರ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದ, ಸೈಕಲ್ ತರನೇ ಬರೀದು, ರೌಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಫುಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಗ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಕಲ್, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಬಿಡು, ನಾನು ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಕೋ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಕೋ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಎ ಏನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ ಪುಟ್ಟ ನೀನು? ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್, ಫ್ರಕ್ಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ. writing ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಳೇ, ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಿದ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕೀಟೋ ಗ್ಲುಟಾರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕ್ಸಿನೈಲ್ ಕೋ ಎಂಜೈಮ್ ಎ, CoA OA. ಹಲೋ, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕೋನೆಟಿಕ್ 6C ಏನದು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಸ್ ಅಕೋನೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಏನ ಅದನ್ನು 6C ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನ್ 0? FAD means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದೆ ನೋಡು, ಫ್ಲೇವಿನ್ ಅಡಿನಿನ್ ಡೈನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್. What is the other name for the cycle? I'll tell you. I will give you when I give points. 56 ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಣ, 12:56. ಇನ್ನ 3 minutes 1 o'clock ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ. Tank 3 na. Now your mail ID. My mail ID. I will write it here. Why mail ID you want? Chandrakala? I'll give you the other names. Okay, no issue. Finished, huh? Chivna, Sujala. Sujala, ಆಯ್ತು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚನ್ಬಸಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಭಿಜ್ಞಾ, I am not erasing it. Last 2 man. Okay. You write it beautifully. This cycle only is 5 mark question. Hand scrape ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ಈ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅವನ ಹೆಸರದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ? Okay, it will be there on the board. You can copy for 5 more minutes and keep it on the board. One drew, ma'am, I drew one page circle. Yes, ma'am, one page full beko, Chandrakala. I have done with the diagram, ma'am. Shall I leave session? Yeah, you leave, ma'am. You can leave. These people who are writing, I'm waiting for them. Yeah, one page beko, Abhigna. It is good. Can I show it so that it is correct or not? Torsaputta. Sujal. Thank you all. Thank you. Then shall I close the session? Shall I close the session? Okay, Sujal. ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವನು ಕತ್ಲೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಡನ್ ಡನ್. ATP NADH2 ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ? ನನಗೆ ಏನೋ ಮಂಜ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಣ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ನೌ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇಯರ್. Okay, function of coenzyme is okay. Madaya is also showing. Madaya is so clear. Sujal that clear ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Madaya is ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Good ma, very nicely you written. Good. Right ma, Madaya, nice. Kirtana is showing. Yeah, very beautiful ma. Kirtana you written very. Hey, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರ ಅವಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. Kirtana ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. Really. Wait, Abhigna, I will check yours. Kirtana is very nicely written ma dear. Very good. Very nice, dear. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Where is she? Abhigna went up. Abhigna, I want to see. Where are you? Abhigna. Sujal, I saw yours. Good. Yours also good, dear. Very nice. Abhigna, where you went? Anjan Shetty is there. Anjan Shetty, ಅಲ್ಲಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸು ನನಗೆ. Okay, Anjan Shetty. Okay, ma. Good. Abhigna, show your face. Hi. Okay, nice. It's right. It's written nicely. You are done really wonderful. All of you are done very nicely. Very good. See you. Bye. Bye and thank you. Bye.